Hello everyone, this is Michelle and I am happy to share with you our home-cooked food from my kusina to yours. Welcome to Michelle's Kusina. For today, we will be cooking the Filipino version of stuffed crab, a crab and vegetable dish in one, the crab relleno. If you want to follow the exact measurements of our ingredients, it is best to prepare them ahead for quick cooking and you won't be missing anything. And these are what we will need for our crab relleno. 9 to 10 pieces empty crab shells, 85 grams boiled and shredded crab meat or about 1/3 cup, 100 grams ubod ng niyog or equivalent to 1/2 cup. If ubod is not available, then you can substitute this with sayote. 1/2 piece of the medium-sized carrots or 1/2 cup. 1/2 a piece of large-sized singkamas or equivalent to 1 cup. Our vegetables are grated using a fine grater and the juices are squeezed out. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1/2 of a medium-sized red onion or you may use white onion. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon liquid seasoning. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon Ginisa mix, 2 pieces eggs, one will be used as our binder and the other one will serve as our egg wash, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch as an additional binder. To begin, let's saute our aromatics. Let's start with our garlic. Then we add in our onions. Please stay tuned because at the end of this video, we will be sharing with you how you can make this recipe as a food business. Let's now add in our crab meat. Just break any lumps if there are any. And then now goes our grated vegetables. Carrots, singkamas, and ubod. I intentionally grated the vegetables to blend with the texture of the crab meat. For some people, they mince their vegetables for chunkier texture. So it is really all up to you if you wanted it grated or if you wanted it minced. Let's add in our seasonings. Black pepper, Ginisa mix, paprika, and salt. Just mix properly to combine the ingredients. This will only take for about 2 minutes to cook. Okay, let's turn off the heat. Then we add a liquid seasoning at the very end to retain taste and aroma. And that's it! Our filling is done! Just let it cool down a bit before we fill it to our crab shells. Okay, once our filling has cooled down, we will just transfer it to a bowl. Let's add in our binders. We have 1 beaten egg. The binders will help our filling remain compact when we fry it later. And cornstarch. Just mix everything to properly combine. Okay, so this is the consistency that I want. I wanted it dry. It is the reason why we squeezed out the juices of our vegetables. For that, it will be easier for us to fill our crab shells later. So now, let's start to fill. Press the filling to make it more compact. And of course, the more filling, the better. Just keep pressing the filling once you add more. See? Because our mixture is dry, it is super easy to fill into our crab shells. Now that we have completely filled all of our crab shells, and by the way, we were only able to fill 9 crab shells. Of course, the number of rellenos that you will be able to make will depend on the sizes of your crab shells. I have here 1 beaten egg. I will just pour over our filling. Then, I will slowly drop into our hot oil with the filling facing up to give it time to firm up. Now I want to lather it with some oil. This is to avoid for our filling from falling off from the shells. And once we have done that, we can now safely flip it. Just wait for it to turn into golden brown. Just transfer it into a plate with kitchen towel to remove some of the excess oil. And that's it! Just do the same process for the remaining crabs, and as easy as that, our crab relleno is done. And we are ready to serve! I would like to share with you our costing for our crab relleno recipe. We may sell this for 30 to 35 pesos per piece. Prices may vary according to your location and as to where you will purchase your ingredients, so adjust costs accordingly. I have already added a 40% production cost to cover up labor, overhead expenses, and packaging, and an additional 30% for markup or profit. So, if you know someone who can benefit from this video, please share it with them. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to get notified of our upcoming videos. Happy cooking and see you next time!